Leo Aguinaldo, Philippine First President. On the right is an illustration of Lanao and historical marker of the First Republic, 1901. Back description. Declaration of Independence of the Philippine flag from the Colony of the South and Philippines from Spain to the Filipino masses. 10 peso or 10 piso. Broad description. Culinary money. Then, address discussion rights. I think Philippine for Katipunan are listed sa website. Back description. Revolutionaries get together under the Sunan banner. 20 pesos or the 1 piso. Broad description. Communist Constitution. Philippine Chief President and Commonwealth First President. The image on the right shows the establishment of the Commonwealth, a vote of arms, and the 1989 Constitution. Broad description. 50 pesos or the 1 piso. Broad description. Sergio Osmeña, Commonwealth President. Assume office upon the death of President. Back description. National Museum, ceremony and formerly the Old University. 100 pesos or the 1 piso. Broad description. Underdrawers, the image on the right shows the proud monkey, the lowering of the US flag and the raising of the Philippine flag reflecting the Commonwealth and the beginning of the third mountain overseas. Back description. Central Bank of the Philippines for Banco Central of the Philippines. 200 pesos or the 1 piso. Back description. Estadio Matapalas. On the right is the Aguinaldo Mansion where in 1898 Aguinaldo proclaimed independence from Spain. Kapagal po Independence Day from 12 to 2012. Back description. Philippine President Revolution 2.
Kaya yung mga ito habis. The far right of the front side is the
First, 1 centimo earmark. Back description. Logo of the Bank Sentral ng Pilipinas. Section 6% cover balance. Next is, this Front description. This centimo earmark. Back description. Words Bank Sentral ng Pilipinas. Allowing the further line. Section 6% cover balance. Next is 25 centimo when the law front description 25 centavo earmark. Back description logo of the class. Position is 65% of copper and 35% of silver.
Nerd. 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 Na. Nerd.
Isang piso coin or description of color design earmark. Back description logo of the Bank Sentral ng Pilipinas. Position 75% copper and 25% nickel percent of nickel. At lang piso coin or 5 piso description of color Emilio Aguinaldo earmark. Back description logo of the Bank Sentral ng Pilipinas. Composition brings 25% of copper, 25% of nickel, filter, 92% of copper, 20% of aluminum. Next is tractor check, filter and copper check paper. Checking of paper machine. Nothing is applied by this the line to be printed.
Mana. Mana.
Tinting pen and big first is the finger will readily fill the main pen on the front and back on properly filled.
Nanti agak hawi.
Second, this is due to the travel thickness of the ink. The printer will be sharpened and after page clear, the finger will largely fill the ink on the front and back of the ink on your this is a almost by the most common practice employed by older printers. Third is the print
Ito.
first
Very good,
day
ito.
of stage on the day of the since the paper is closed. First is upper line light. Second is the eyes partially. Third is the tiny dots and lines beginning forming the details of the picture are sharp and well defined. Fourth is farm lines which are continuous and traceable events at the fair. Serial number. The prefix letter and the number of 6 of the name except for replacement
Kuya Jordan.
not are clearly intended.
Kuya. Kuya Jordan.
Big name.
Smile.
The line and not composing the
Ate Itel.
big names are white, chick, and shirt.
Itel. Itel. Itel.
6 is clearness of rent.
Ate Itel.
The registry of the different content feature is perfect. The line are irregular and sharp. There are no bars linking to the site. Examination of suspected counterfeit banknote. As well as still under ultraviolet light, the investigating authority of look at the banknote with apprehension. Characteristic of US paper money.
Santos.
Federal Reserve Note with red treasury cells and serial number. Second is United States Note with a red treasury